Hey guys, welcome to Hannah Mouse Cooks. Happy bonfire night, where today I will be showing you how to make chili jacket potatoes. These are super cozy and warming, as well as being high in protein and fibre, making them super comforting for any campfire side get together that you might be having for this autumn season. And this recipe serves 2 people and comes in at 498 calories with 43.1 grams of protein per serving. So let's jump right in.
We're going to need 2 baking potatoes, 250 grams of lean ground beef, 200 grams of low sugar baked beans, 1 medium onion diced, 5 grams of cocoa powder, 1 beef stock cube, 1 teaspoon each of Worcestershire sauce, paprika, cumin and oregano, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and low-calorie cooking spray. And for a topping, you will also need 2 slices of light cheese shredded. Start off by piercing the potatoes in several places with a knife. Air fry them at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. You could also do this in the oven, but it might take about 15 minutes longer. Heat a pan on high sprayed with cooking spray. Fry the onions until soft, which should take somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes. Then add the beef, the stock cube crumbled, the herbs and spices, and the cocoa powder. You want to fry this until the beef is no longer pink, breaking up the beef with your spatula, and you may need to add some salt based on how salty your stock cube is. Once that's done, reduce the heat to low, add the baked beans and Worcestershire sauce. Let this simmer covered and stir it periodically until the potatoes are ready. The longer you let this go for, the more concentrated the flavour will be, but if you let it go for a long time, you might want to add a splash of water to make sure it doesn't get too dry. Once they're done, slice open the jacket potatoes. Load each potato up with chilli and a sprinkling of cheese, and you're done.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you did, it lets me know that this is something that you want to see more of. And apart from that, I will see you next time with another video. Bye!